This is the P30 magazine. That's how it looks inside. There's a spring too. So you have the spring sit here. The springs, when you compress and fill the BBs inside, the spring will compress and sit in there. This is the stopper. So let's count how many BBs should be fitting in there. Originally, you can only put 14, 15, maybe 14 is better for shooting. So let's see, that's 5, 10, 15, 25, 27, 28 BBs you can fit in there. Let's see, how can I fit this many BB in there? So first of all, I cut a piece of spring because it was a little bit too strong and will be stronger when you fill with more BBs. So I just cut, this is I'd say 2 inches. The other thing, I also cut a little bit here, more like not too much, just like 2 BBs length. This will fit 2 more BBs. And if you look to the this is what holds the spring inside. You can't remove it. You need it to leave it in there because the spring will pop when you finish firing. You will have the spring popping inside the pistol, so you don't like that. So this piece normally slides like that, but as you fill with BBs, originally you see there's a stopper here, and that's what the piece stops there. So that's why we cannot put more than 15 BBs in there. So I'll just use a cutter and chop this piece off. And also I will need to shorten a little bit either side, there or there, to help it slide easier through the corner here, because it's a little bit tight. So just very little, just enough so it slides easier. And let's see how the mold works. So I cut at this end to help it slide easier through the curve here. So the end where the BBs are touching it. Okay, so I cut this small piece off. I will remove it from there. Use a cutter. Of course, be really careful with this. Don't try not to keep your hand underneath while cutting with a cutter. You will probably get a nice one. And putting back the cover, I just put the spring on its seat, then try to close the cover like this. Sorry, just one hand. And then I will just put the spring, the plastic piece, put it on the spring and push the spring inside. You may want to put this end of the spring actually on the other side. So that's how it goes. Okay, so I put about 20 something, 28 BBs perhaps. Put back the magazine, let's try it. It will take some time, right? Because there's a lot of them. It's long, but how nice, amazing. Okay, I think that's it. I didn't count them, but it's empty. So yeah, it's sweet.
This gun was a success. You see, like, it has this right here, like you push it down and it drops the mag, and it also has like a safety right here. Where is it? right here. Right now it's on safety, so you can't pull the trigger or cock it back. So you can twist that upwards and then do it. Twist it up for y'all. There. And it comes with 400 white BBs, 6mm, and it shoots great. So here you go.
Quality was off. Well, this is a crap.
Yo no la recomiendo. Se hizo pedazo a solamente 2 pies de altura que una niña de 1 año la agarró en sus manos, se le cayó a 2 pies de altura, no más. Y se jodió. Y más nunca se ha podido arreglar porque se le partieron las piezas adentro.
The mag release, this right here, is super loose and the mag keeps falling out, so you have to like put tape around it. So